Meet Emma. She just discovered AI tools that can create articles, images, and videos in seconds. It feels like magic. Emma types a prompt and watches as AI instantly crafts an article. It looks impressive, but something seems off. She notices vague information and a few factual errors. Without checking, she might have shared misleading content. Her friend Jake warns her, AI can create false information, biased content, or even plagiarize text without realizing it. Emma now wonders if she should rather stop using AI. But Jake shakes his head. He explains to Emma that AI is a tool, not a replacement for thinking. Jake explains that AI is powerful, but it needs human guidance. Used well, it becomes a smart assistant, not a risky shortcut. Emma tries again. She adds her personal voice, checks facts, and ensures the content feels human. The result is amazing. Emma realizes AI helps, but real creativity, accuracy, and ethics still depend on her. She has the final say. Now Emma uses AI wisely. She uses it to brainstorm, organize ideas, and speed up work, but never to replace her judgment.